A lot of people get this wrong. When winding thread onto the bobbin, it should always go from top to bottom, not the other way around. When the winding direction is downwards, place the bobbin into the shuttle. If your machine has a separate bobbin case, put it into the bobbin case instead. Getting the direction right will keep your thread running smoothly and prevent it from snapping mid-seam. I mean, is it even possible to wear this style and not feel like a princess? It's chic, it's comfortable, and it's absolutely perfect for summer. So if you're ready, grab your tools, open your pattern notebook, and let's get started. A measurement for these 2 points should be the distance between your bust points. This dress is absolutely versatile, perfect for a garden party, a beach walk, a lunch date, or even a summer wedding. You can dress it down with sandals for a casual vibe, or elevate it with heels and jewelry for a more formal look. This is a maxi style, meaning its length is about 140 centimeters from the shoulder to the hem, to create that same long and elegant look. Let me tell you all the little details of this special design. Neckline, a V-neck naturally created by the rep, flattering on most body shapes. Sleeves, short butterfly sleeves that add softness and a romantic touch. Closure, a wrap tie that cinches the waist and adjusts to your body. Skirt, a long, slightly flared skirt that flows beautifully as you move. Overall style, feminine, delicate, and timeless, fits sizes XS to 3XL. Because the wrap design is flexible and comfortable for most body types. In this design, you have 2 choices. It's all about your personal taste. Option 1, sew the dart directly and neatly on the dress. Or option 2, gather it with tiny, delicate pleats, just like the original model. The choice is yours, and each one gives the dress a different personality. But if you go with the first option, reduce the dart's width slightly. Take about 1 centimeter off from the side seam, just like I'm doing, and remove that part from the pattern. Personally, I think the second option, like the original design, looks prettier. By the way, the next tutorial, which will be uploaded in 2 days, was made at the request of one of you lovely people. Now, if you have a special idea, it's your chance to join the game. Leave a comment right now and tell me what you'd like the next tutorial to be. Who knows? The next one might be exactly what you asked for. But hurry, you only have 2 days to try your luck. And the tutorial I'm linking up here was also made at the request of another one of my creative friends. Make sure to check it out later. At the back of this dress, we'll sew in a 50-centimeter invisible zipper. If you have trouble sewing invisible zippers, I'll link the tutorial for you up here. Make sure to watch it later. This dress absolutely loves fabrics with a beautiful drape. Think lightweight cotton, rayon, viscose, crepe, or even chiffon for a softer, more romantic feel. The key is that the fabric should be soft and flow gracefully with your movements. In this butterfly sleeve design, there's a soft little gather at the top, just like you can see in the picture. And at the bottom, it's not too wide. So I'm adding about 2 centimeters of ease at the top between each panel and 3 centimeters of ease at the bottom, where the sleeve hem will be. Oh, and I didn't mention this. For the last 2 panels, don't add any ease between them because under the arm, we don't want gathers. It would make the fabric bunch up too much and feel uncomfortable. A skilled dressmaker always pays attention to these tiny but important details when drafting a pattern. right, now take the front and back patterns that we cut from the waistline down and place them side by side along the side seam. That's the CC line. Now, measure the bottom edge of both patterns together. For the width of the second layer, add 20 centimeters. For the third layer, do the same. Add another 20 centimeters to its width. So, to figure out the skirt layers, let's say the dress length is 140 centimeters. First, write down the bodice height. Then, take a look at the design and estimate the layer heights. In this model, the first layer is about 30 centimeters. I measured it, and that's our starting point. Now remember, the bodice height can vary depending on the size. Here's how we calculate it. Bodice height plus 30 centimeters. Then, subtract that total from the full dress length and divide the remainder by 2. For sizes XS to XL, you'll need about 3.5 to 4 meters of fabric. For larger sizes up to 3XL, allow about 4.5 to 5 meters to have enough room for the wrap and the skirt gathers. Now for the belt, take your waist measurement and add 1 whole meter to it. That extra meter means you can tie a beautiful bow. For the width, make it 8 centimeters. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave me a comment and hit that like button. This way, I can understand your style better and create future tutorials based on exactly what you love. Oh, and the basic pattern tutorial, plus another one I know you'll absolutely love, is right here.